Hi everyone, and I Love Natural Hair, aka Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I am going to be doing my December BOXYCHARM, and this is the card. I have 6 products in my BOXYCHARM for this month. And on the card it says BOXYCHARM Bubbles and Glitz. So my first item is the iconic London Blaze Chase Up Face Palette. And this is what it looks like. Pretty packaging. And these are the colors, and it comes with a nice mirror. And I'll swatch them for you. And this is what they look like. Very ashy. And this retails for $55. I would not be paying $55 for this. No ma'am. I hope it's worth it after I try it. And the next one is Glamatic Bella Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. And this is the lashes. Looks like this. And this is the Glamour Magnetic. And this is what it looks like. So I think you're gonna put them together with the lashes, and you put the glue on it, and then you put them on your eyes. And this retails for $63. I wouldn't pay $63 for that. Are they crazy? No ma'am. No ma'am. I would not be paying $63 for this. Nope. The next item is the Tarte Man Eater Mascara. Ooh. I like the name. This is what it looks like. And this is the packaging. It's pretty. I like the packaging. See that? And this retails for $23. Not so bad. And my next item is MAC Cosmetics Matte Lipstick. And this is the lipstick. I love matte lipstick. And let's show you. I always like matte. Matte is one of my favorite lipsticks. $19. And I do have the lipstick on. Okay. And my next item is the sponge. This is what it looks like. And it comes with a blended beauty blender. Really soft. And it comes with this. This is like when you want to wash your beauty blenders. You could put them in the washing machine. You could put them in here. Like that. And you twist it. And you put it in the washing machine. And it will wash them. And this retails for $18. And this is the original makeup eraser, the sponge. And that's the end of my BOXYCHARM, guys. I hope you like this BOXYCHARM, and let me know what you got in your box, and did you like what you get in your box. I wasn't too happy about my box, to be honest with you. It was really late. They sent it to me really late, and I was kind of disappointed about it. But anywho, that's it. And have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the new year. Hope it's a better one. Bye.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to her channel and subscribe to my channel, Princess Tiller. It will be in the link in the description box. We love y'all. Bye.
Bye.